Yesterday on our trip up the 395, it became pretty apparent that with all the smoke from the fires we're having here in California, camping wasn't going to be a great option for us. And unfortunately, by the time we needed to make a decision on where to go, the hotels that would be available were, we'll say, cost prohibitive. And so we actually opted to cut over across the state, just almost to the point that we were at South Lake Tahoe, and we drove all the way over the Sierras to the coast, and we're actually in Sunnyvale now. It was a long drive. It was a long night. We went from the Sierras to Silicon Valley, and now we're just kind of trying to figure out what to do. I think we're going to head down to Carmel and maybe check out the Point Lobos area and possibly Big Sur or further. Don't know yet. So on with the day. Welcome to absolutely beautiful Point Lobos here, just a little bit south of the town of Carmel on the coast of California. This is my second time to this area, and I gotta say it's just as gorgeous as I remember. It's crystal blue water, really beautiful sandstone rock, these incredible striations running through them that photograph super well. It's like it's one of those places where it's like you can point your camera in any direction, take a photo, and chances are you're going to come away with something okay. I will probably just check back in with you guys once the sun goes down and we're just about ready to make a photo here. In the meantime, I've got a time lapse going right over there, and just enjoying the beautiful California weather. All right, well, maybe not as much sunset photography as we thought tonight. Justin's over there packing up because we did not exactly time this totally correctly and did not exactly pay attention to when the park closes. So the ranger's been making the rounds and told us we got to get going. So that's too bad. It had the makings of a pretty killer sunset, but that's life, that's photography. So best laid plans, right? Another day, another hotel room. Camping did not work out again tonight, so we are staying in a Best Western in, where are we? Royal Grande, I think, near Pismo. So yeah, we just rolled in here. It's almost midnight, and we're planning on getting up at 5 to go out to the Oceano Dunes and shoot those at sunrise. I think I'm getting sick, so that's another fun layer to throw onto that. And yeah. Gonna take a shower and go to bed here pretty soon. We'll catch up. I'll catch up with you guys in the morning, and we'll see where we're at, see how we're feeling. So, all right. Justin's still back at the car loading film for his 8x10. I decided to go ahead and head out onto the dunes here. I've never been here before. I don't know how far they go. They're pretty in this morning light. I hope I can find an image. Man, I'm tired, I'll tell you. It's been a hell of a trip, and it's been like just a grind. Last night, it's like we probably get to bed by like 1 o'clock, and then this morning we're up at 5 to get everything together and get out here to shoot sunrise. The sun that's rising behind me right now that I'm not in position for. That's okay. Oh wow, this is pretty. I know it's kind of a cliche image, the lines in the sand caught by either the morning or afternoon light, but I've never made one before, and this is like perfect conditions to do something like this. So I'm gonna start with like an intimate little shot of the ripples in these sand dunes here, catching the dawn light. I think it looks pretty cool. So. Alright guys, that's about it for me from the beautiful Oceano Sand Dunes. Sand dunes. I need coffee. It's been a pretty great morning, pretty early morning, but I got a couple of images I'm pretty happy with, and that always makes it worth it. So, just waiting for Justin now, and then we're gonna head back to the car and get out of here, hopefully go get some coffee and hit the road, get home. Looking to get out of here right now. Waiting for Justin to pack up the last few of his things, and then we were hitting the road back to, well, I think we're actually going to go check out the CRISPR card gallery here in Pismo, and then head back down to Southern California, Orange County. Alright guys, well I guess we can check this one off the list because we are here at the CRISPR card gallery in Pismo Beach, California, and I have been meaning to visit this place for quite a while. They're nice enough to let us film in here, and yeah, just taking advantage of that. This place is awesome. Being able to see all this work in person is just totally breathtaking. It really makes me want to get out my door more and go and explore. But yeah, before I forget, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and always share if you can. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. And until next time, take care.